Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by Airport Authority of India Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, Airport Authority of India has released the recruitment for non-executive cadre in Northern region. So these vacancies are only for Northern region candidate. So all those candidates who are having a domicile of Chandigarh, Delhi, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, J&K, Ladakh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand are eligible to apply for these posts. So there are various vacancies in different domain, and one of them is senior assistant accounts. Friends, online application started from today, that is 4th Feb 2025, and last date of submission of online application is 5th March 2025. So almost a month time is given to fill up these applications. So now let's talk about the details of the post. So friends, at serial number 2 there is a vacancy for senior assistant accounts. It's a NE6 level vacancy. There are total 21 vacancies, out of which 10 vacancies are for unreserved category candidate, 3 vacancies are for SC category, 1 vacancy for ST category, 5 vacancy for OBC NCL category candidate, 2 vacancies for EWS category candidate. So there are sufficient vacancies for unreserved as well as for other category candidates. Now pay scale. So friends, here for senior assistant accounts, you will be in the pay scale of 36,000 to 1,10,000, and in addition to the basic pay and dearness allowance, you will be paid perks at the rate 35% of the basic pay, HRA and other benefits which include CPF, gratuity, social security schemes, etc. as per the airport authority rules. Now age limit and age relaxations. Friends, here the maximum age limit is 30 years as on 5th March 2025. Then there are certain age relaxation for reserve category candidates. You can check them. Also, there is a provision for ex-Agniveer. So those who have successfully completed 4 years of engagement with armed force, they are also eligible, and they have provided age relaxation in this notification. So if you are ex-Agniveer, you can check these relaxations. Now the qualification and experience. Friends, here the age, qualification and experience shall be as on last date of application, that is 5th March 2025. So as on this date, you should be meeting all the eligibility criteria. So at serial number 2 for senior assistant accounts, here the qualification asked is graduation, preferably BCom with computer literacy test in MS Office, and here they have asked the experience of 2 years in the concerned discipline. So if you are having a 2 years experience graduate, then you are eligible to apply for this post. Now selection procedure, very important. Friends, for senior assistant accounts, the selection will be based on written examination. Duration of the exam is 2 hours, and then followed by computer literacy test in MS Office. It's a qualifying nature examination, that is the marks of this exam will not be counted for your final selection. Only written test marks will be counted, and your syllabus for the exam is also mentioned. Friends, your paper will consist of 70% questions from technical syllabus, and 30% questions will be from GK, English, aptitude, etc. And minimum pass marks required is 50% for unreserved EWS and OBC category candidate, and 40% by SC, ST, PWD category candidate. Technical syllabus weightage is 70% and non-technical syllabus is 30%. And we at Finance MCQ will help you to prepare for this technical syllabus. Application fee. Friends, you have to make an online payment of rupees 1,000 towards your application fee, and for women, SC, ST, PWD, ex-servicemen candidate, there is no application fee. Important dates, as I already mentioned, online application is already started from 4th Feb 2025, and last date of making online application is 5th March 2025. Then rest step by step detail is mentioned regarding how to apply and fill the application form. You can check them in detail and fill up the application form. And friends, your computer based test will be held in all the major cities in northern region as mentioned in the notification. You can check them, and the good thing is that there will not be any negative marking, so you can attempt all the questions. One important point is that only candidate who are domicile of northern region is only eligible, and not everyone. So airport authority released the recruitment region wise, like northern region, southern region, northeastern region, western region. So region specific they release this similar vacancies. So this notification is just only for northern region. So that's all friend. If you are meeting the eligibility criteria and having 2 years experience, then you should definitely give it a try and apply for this vacancy. You will get a good exposure as well as good pay package, and we at Finance MCQ will help you to prepare for your technical syllabus for the senior accountant examination. So do give it a try. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.